A few minutes before the coordination meeting and you're having issues with exporting your model is not visible, misaligned, or your changes do not apply? Relax. It's not a ghost or a magic trick. I can help you to deal with it. We will review some reasons why it happens and how to fix it if you're exporting an NWC or publishing a Revit view. In this video, I will highlight some typical issues with the coordination models and what you should do in each situation. Hi everyone, my name is Maria and I've been working at New Vision Agency for almost 3 years, saving BIM projects, resolving coordination issues before they go to the construction field. And here I would like to share my experience. By the way, you know who is this? This guy didn't want to subscribe to our channel, so make sure to press the like button below and subscribe. Let's get down to the video. NWC export. If your NWC is not visible in the Navisworks coordination model, the first thing that you should check is the coordinates that you're exporting. Go to the NWC export, open the export settings, and select the needed type for export. To check if your model coordinates are correct, you can place an object in the needed location. Usually it's a grid intersection or structural elements. Go to the Manage tab and select the report or specify coordinates. Then click to a needed point. Those values should match with the coordinates provided in the BIM execution plan, or match with the model you're aligning to. If you see a lot of random boxes after the export, make sure to uncheck room geometry during the export. If the coordinates are correct, but the model is still misaligned, there can be a few more things that you should check. Make sure that Navisworks settings are correct. The units should match your export units to avoid scaling the model. Sometimes Navisworks can apply its own coordinates, so to check that, select your model in the selection tree, open the Units and Transform tab, and clean the values. This can help you to align your model to the correct place. Changes are not applied. The first thing that you should check is if your model version is updated, no matter if you're using Glue, BIM docs, or just exporting your NWC. The file name should be the same as the previous version, so make sure to check your naming convention while updating. If you're opening the model through the desktop connector, synchronize your export model and then synchronize the merged NWF. If the element's still not changed, this one is a bit tricky. In the Navisworks, select the needed object and clear transform settings. Someone could have shifted your object manually in the Navisworks, during the coordination meeting, for example. Now let's review some issues with the publishing view. Make sure that after all of the changes you applied, the view is clean and prepared. Synchronize your Revit with the central model. Then go to the Publish settings and make sure that the needed view is selected. Don't change the view name, because it will not update the model in the coordination view. After your work is finished, make sure to Publish Latest from the main Revit tab. Still having issues? Don't worry, the Publish view can take up to an hour to be uploaded. If the coordinator still doesn't see your model, you need to make sure that the model is selected to be appended into the coordination view. You can check this using the coordination plugin in Navisworks. Important note: if you use the Publish settings in your Revit for coordination and now you want to export NWC, this doesn't work. The file format will be different, so the coordination view won't read this. You should add this model again manually. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced any other issues with model export and I can help you with it. Trick or treat and see you next time!